Application of Pythagoras theorem. Point number 1. If in a triangle ABC, angle C is an acute angle. त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये C हा acute angle म्हणजे लघुकोन असेल. Segment AD perpendicular to BC. AD is a perpendicular BC. Then AB square, opposite sides of acute angle AB square is equal to BC plus AC square minus 2 into BC into DC. जेव्हा दिलेला लघुकोन ॲक्यूट अँगल दिलेला असेल त्या कोणासमोरची बाजू तिचा स्क्वेअर घ्या. तो कोन ज्या दोन बाजूंचा मिळून तयार झालाय AC आणि BC, BC चा वर्ग अधिक AC चा वर्ग घ्या, मायनस ॲक्यूट अँगल असेल तर मायनस घ्या, 2 into BC into DC. If angle is acute angle, then AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square minus 2BC into DC. Point second, if in a triangle ABC, angle ACB is an obtuse angle. ACB हा या त्रिकोणामध्ये ACB हा जर विशाल कोन असेल, obtuse angle विशाल कोन. AD is a perpendicular to segment BC. Then AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square plus 2BC into DC. Opposite angle, opposite sides of obtuse angle, विशाल कोनासमोरच्या बाजूचा वर्ग घ्या, is equal to C हा कोन ज्या बाजूंचा मिळून तयार झाला आहे BC square plus AC square. obtuse angle असेल तिथं प्लस घ्या, 2BC into DC. It is application of Pythagoras theorem. Apollonius theorem. In a triangle ABC, segment AM is a median. In a triangle ABC, segment AM is a median. AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square plus 2BM square. In a triangle ABC, segment AM is a median. त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये AM ही जर मध्यगा असेल, मध्यगाच्या शिरोबिंदू मधून टाकलेली AB square plus AC square घ्या is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. BM square तरी घ्या किंवा MC square तरी घ्या, 2BM square. It is Apollonius theorem. Set 2.2. Example number 1. In a triangle PQR, point S is the midpoint of side QR. Point S is the midpoint of side QR. If PQ is equal to 11, PQ is equal to 11, PR is equal to 17, PR is equal to 17, PS is equal to 13, then find QR. Find QR. First point QS, apply by Pythagoras theorem. First point QS by using Apollonius theorem. Solution. In a triangle PQR, segment PS is a median. By using Apollonius theorem, PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PM square plus 2QM square, means 2QM square plus 2PS square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. Apollonius theorem काय आहे? ज्या शिरोबिंदू मधून मध्यगाठ टाकली तो शिरोबिंदू म्हणजे कोण, कोणत्या दोन बाजूंचा मिळून तर PQ and PR. PQ square plus PR square is equal to median 2PS square plus 2QS square. अपोलनियसचा सिद्धांत यूज केल्यानंतर लक्षात घ्या, ज्या बाजूमुळे कोण तयार झाले त्या बाजूंच्या वर्गांची बेरीज घ्यायची बरोबर मध्ये का ज्या बाजूवर टाकते त्यापैकी अर्धा भाग घ्यायचा 2qa² प्लस 2ps². Put the value 2qa² plus value of ps is 13² is equal to value of pq 11² plus value of pr 17² means 2qa² plus 2 into 13² means 169 is equal to 11² means 121 plus 17² means 289 means 2qa² plus 2 into 9 means 18, take carry 1, 2 into 6 means 12, 12 plus 1 means 13, take carry 1, 2 into 1 means 2 plus 1 means 3, 338 is equal to addition 1 plus 9 means 0, 10, take carry 1, 2 plus 8 means 10, carry 1 means 11, 1 plus 2 means 3 plus 1 means 14. 121 plus 289 is equal to 410. Plus 339 change the side minus means 2qa² is equal to 410 minus 338 means 2qa² is equal to 10 subtract 8 means 2, take carry 1, 3 plus 1 means 4, 11 subtract 4 means 7 means 410 subtract 338 means 72. Multiply 2, change the side, divides means qs is equal to 72 divided by 2 means 36 is equal to 72 divided by 2 means 36. qs is equal to 36. Find the value of qr. qr is equal to 2 into qs means qr is equal to 2 into 36. Sorry. qr square 2qr square is equal to 72. Multiply 2, change the side, divides means qs square is equal to 72 divided by 2. 72 divided by 2 means 36 is equal to 36. Square root both side means qs is equal to square root 36. qs is equal to 6. Square root 36 is 6. qs is equal to 6. qr is equal to 2 into qs. 2 into 6 means qr is equal to 12. qr is equal to 12 unit. This is part 1. Practice set 2.2. Example number 2. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to 10. AB is equal to 10. AC is equal to 7. BC is equal to 9. Then find the length of median drawn from point C to AB. Find the length of median CM. In a solution, point M is the midpoint of side AB means AM is equal to 1 divided by 2 into AB means AM is equal to 1 divided by 2 into value of AB is equal to 10. 10 divided by 2 means 5 means AB is equal to 5 unit. AB is equal to 5 unit. In a triangle CAB, segment CM is a median. In a triangle CAB, segment CM is a median by using Apollonius theorem. By using Apollonius theorem means AC square plus BC square is equal to 2cm square plus 2am square. Means 2cm square plus 2am square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. Apollonius theorem में तो उलट गया तो 2cm square plus 2am square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Put the value 2cm square plus 2 into value of am. Value of am is 5 square is equal to value of AC means 7 square. Value of BC means 9 square. Means 2cm square plus 2 into 5 square 25 is equal to 7 square 49 plus 9 square 81. 9 square 81. Means 2cm square plus 2 into 25 means 50 is equal to. Addition is 9 plus 1 means 10. Take carry 1. 8 plus 4, 4 plus 8 means 12. Carry 1 means 13. 49 plus 61, 81 means 130. Plus 50 change the side minus means 2cm square is equal to 113. 30 minus 50 means 2cm square is equal to 0 means 80. Multiply to change the side divides means cm square is equal to 0. 80 means 80 divided by 2 means 40. cm square is equal to 40. Square root both sides means cm is equal to square root 40. Means square root 40 means 4 into 10. 4 into 10. Means cm is equal to 4 square root 2 into square root 10 unit. Length of median. Length of median is equal to 2 into square root 10 unit. Length of median is equal to 2 into square root 10 unit.